Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add Okta Authentication to a web application. So this helps secure your app and make user login safer and easier to manage. So first, go to your Okta dashboard and create a new application. Choose a web app and then give it a name and set the sign-in redirect URL. So this is where users will go after logging in, so make sure it matches your app. Once that is done, save it and copy the client ID and a client secret. You'll need this for your app. Next, open up your web application and connect Okta using their SDK or authentication library. This is where users will go after logging in, so make sure it matches your app. So once that is done, save it and copy the client ID and client secret, and then you'll need this for your app. Next, open your web application and connect Okta using your SDK and authentication library. Add the client ID, client secret, and your Okta domain into your settings. After that, set up a login flow by redirecting users to Okta's login page, and when they sign in, they'll be sent back to your app through the redirect URL. And then your app should then handle the response and log the user in. And finally, test it to make sure everything works smoothly. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.